Melissa Olivos is a famous TikTok star who was born on September 16, 1992 in United States. American TikTok star who is best known for her lifestyle, jewelry, and design-related video clips. She also has a popular Instagram featuring more lifestyle, fashion, and design-related posts. According to astrologers, Melissa's zodiac sign is Virgo. She has a partner named Travis. Melissa is one of the richest TikTok star and listed on most popular TikTok star. According to our analysis, Wikipedia, Forbes and Business Insider, Melissa Olivos' net worth is approximately $1.5 million. Melissa ranked on the list of most popular TikTok star. Also ranked in the elite list of famous celebrity born in United States. She is a well-known TikTok star from the USA akin to Lauren Kettering.